All right, so here's two really cool lo-fi style plugins. One is an Instruments, Lo-Fi Keys, VST, a small piano plugin featuring an upright piano and digital keyboard. Really cool. There'll be links in the video description below for all this stuff. And the other one is a really cool plugin for adding textures to your sound. You could add vinyls and stuff like that. Sounds, crack, dust, vinyl, crackle. I said vinyl already, but whatever. Mechanical noises, tape noises, nature environments, and more. Really cool for adding that kind of effect. Now, I did download this for free. As you can see here, it was $39. I don't know if it's going to switch back to $39 at some point. This is a limited time. It doesn't say on the website. So just go to the links in the video description below. Check it out. This one is a pretty big size because it does have audio files in here. There's 75 different textures, Foley noises, mechanical noise, tape hiss, soundscapes, nature environments, vinyl crackers, so on and so forth. Of course, I'm going to play some demos in a second here. EQ has an EQ in here, has an effects panel for the texture and stuff like that. While flutter effect manipulates the pitch and speed of your selected texture. This effect was designed to emulate the nostalgic characteristics of vintage turntables. So specs here, 1.3 gigabytes. So like I said, it's a pretty huge plugin for an effect plugin, because it does have all the samples in there. For your PC, it's 575 megabytes. I don't know why that one's smaller, but whatever. So let's check these out. And by the way, they also have this. Oh, by the way, these are Clark Audio plugins, and they also have some free sample packs you can download as well. You can check those out. All right, so let's check these things out, see what we can do with them.